boring days
in my life
as an unemployed lady.
Hi guys, so I'm starting a new vlog this way. This is just me appreciating Victoria Nelson for this amazing shower gel. It was thoughtfully formulated for real. Like, I'm not even capping. This thing smelled like heaven. This thing smells like gold. And look at the notes. Not so much paparazzi going on there at all. It was just, oh my god. I've used it up to, I think it's here. You guys cannot see it, but I've used it up to here. And people that have even used out of it too can testify. This thing smells like heaven. Today is Monday anyways, so I want to go shower and get ready to start my day. I'm a little bit unmotivated today, but it is what it is. Let me shower and we'll get back to that. My PA is coming. She should be on her way anytime from now. Oh my god, I'm just hyping this thing. You would think I was paid to advertise this, but yeah, she got it from Mon Père store. I'm going to add their details attached to the screen. So yeah, happy new week guys. I was out in Abuja and I could not show up for my girl's event, Nana. So she did well to send me my box and we're gonna open it here and now. I had to use my boo-boo to do the background because yeah, whatever. Anyways, here I already opened it, so this is me just showing you guys for YouTube. Susan, we have this scarf. It was bold before now. Anyways, you guys, I've always wanted to buy a scarf, but the prices have been insane, and she sent me this scarf. In case you don't know, Nana is a wine girl, like actual wine girl. Sent me lashes, which I wouldn't be using. I'm gonna give it out to somebody who uses lashes, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna be sending that to somebody. And we have this. It smells so good, guys. It smells heavenly. I think it was from this brand. Yep, smells heavenly. Yeah, this is my girl's logo. That's our logo. She's a wine girl and she sent me this. Oh my god. She sent me this, you guys. I've never had a sparkling wine in my home, so having this right now is just they bust my bubbles. I think that's all. Thank you for unboxing with me. I love when I see my names on like PR packages and boxes. I love it. It makes me feel like, yes girl, that name, the big Susan, not the small one. Anywho, that's it guys. Hi guys, so I'm about to cook. I want to make noodles. Faith is coming, so I'm waiting for her to arrive. So once she gets here, she's going to buy fruit and some other things. It's looking like it wants to rain, and I really hope that it does because the weather is quite hot. I'm going to do the Chinese way, which is putting it in a bowl, putting the noodles and putting all the spice. That's literally what I'm going to do. Because if I tell you I should cook it like normal Nigerian Indomie, I might not eat it because I'm not a fan of noodles like that. But if it's, I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. I think that this one is like peanut spice, and this one is larger. Like this one is really spicy, so I'll just do this one and maybe do the two. I don't know, but whatever decision I make, I'll let you guys know. Okay, how you guys doing anyways? I've not vlogged for a while because I'm tired. I'm tired of a whole lot of stuff. I'm tired of a whole lot, and I'm just tired. So I already bought this one, and this was what is inside. I had this like way back in China. Even when I went to Dubai, I could not try it out, so because I just wasn't interested at the time. So I want to mix it with this one because I feel this will not be enough for me. So I'm putting this. Ignore all of this. Is from the Zobo that I did the last time. So you guys, I had to recook it, and it tastes way better right now. It tastes way better. Oh my god! So I want to start doing Korean Chinese content where I just literally speak Chinese in a video, but it's going to be for reels, cannot be for YouTube. Where they make it that one. It's so hot and spicy. I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'll talk to you guys much later. My skin though. Oh my god. Whew. I just wake up since how many hours ago. Yeah, give it. Thank you. It's not crazy how this kitchen is low-key becoming my favorite place to shoot content. I mean, but yeah, I'll be going to the bank today. I need to open a new bank at Jais in a Jazz. That bank, that green and white one that is owned. Okay, so I used to think that the bank was owned by a Muslim person. Only for me to figure that it wasn't owned by a Muslim person. It's just a microfinance bank named that way. But most of the clients are Muslim, so it's okay for me to think that way. Around that home. And yeah, I know what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm going that day and also to go to UBA. Basically, what I'm doing today is bank runs. After that, I'm coming back home because my ass is broke and CapCut is pissing me off. I don't know if it's CapCut that's pissing me off or the brand that I paid for 1 year is pissing me off. I'm supposed to have edited a particular vlog since 2 days ago. And up until this minute that I am talking to you, today is Tuesday and it is past 10. And I still cannot edit the video. They changed the password, changed the login, changed literally everything. And now I'm here. It's crazy. Anyways, see you guys before I start getting all crazy here.